Well, hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Kanak Infosystems LLP. And today we are back with another new video on MongoDB and its basic commands. So in this video, we'll see some of the basic commands and some crude operations in the MongoDB. So let's get to it. So this is my MongoDB terminal and I'll restart the server, Mongo sh. So my server has restarted now and this is my MongoDB compass. MongoDB Compass is actually a tool which will help you to see all your data and your tables visually. So let's start with the first command, that is show DBS. So this command will let you see all the databases that are present in your server. Show DBS, products, admin, local, config, new DB. So these are all the databases present. Let me show you on the compass as well. Products, admin, config, local, new DB. Let's just say if you wish to create a new database, so you can simply use db1 and your database is now created. You won't be able to see it right now because you need to add the collection to it. So let's just see how we can create a collection, which is db.create collection. So let's go db.create collection and I'll type user and it has returned OK, which means my collection is now created. Let me show you on the compass as well. Let's reload and db1 is here with a collection user. So let's just say if you wish to switch the db, how you can do it, you can simply type use and the db name. For example, if I want to switch to products, and as you can see, I have now switched to products. And the next command is show collections. Show collections, and this command will return all the collections that are present in the database. So there is only one products right now. We can create more, but right now we'll work with this products only. Now let's start with some of the insertions in our database. And these are the commands that are required to insert the data. db.collection name .insert one and insert many. So if you wish to add only one document in your collection, you use this command, and for multiple you use this command. So let's see how this works. So db dot my collection name products dot insert one. One thing that you keep in mind while inserting the data is that the data is inserted in the JSON format. So let's add the data, name, colon, and the product is chair. And yes, we have returned with acknowledged true. That means insertion is now done. Now let's try adding more. Insert many. And now the name would be table, and another would be name colon mirror. But one thing to keep in mind is that you need to add this comma in between all the documents, and this insert many will now help you to add both the documents at once. Documents must be in array format. Okay, so this is what you need to do. And yes, the document should be inserted in the form of an array. We've got acknowledged true and the two insertion IDs. Now that we are done with inserting, let's see how we can retrieve the data. So for retrieving the data, we have db.collectionname.find. So we'll go with db dot collection name is products dot find, and see, we are returned with 3 documents: chair, table, and mirror. There is also a function named find.pretty, which will help you to display the records or the collection in a prettified format, especially when there are more columns and rows to it. And yes, we can use .count as well. Dot count, and it will return the number of collections that are, and the count will return the number of documents inside our collection. So this was all about retrieving the data. Now that we have seen retrieving and insertion, we need to check updation now. So for updations, the command is db.collectionname.update1, and this would be the filter, and this is how you set the value. So let's see how this works. db.product.update1, and here we'll pass the filter, that is name, whose name is chair, and to update you need to use this $set. So we'll go with this $set and the property of name Let's change the name of chair to chairs with the multiple S, and a semicolon over here, and yes, we are done now. Let's enter, and we've got acknowledged true, match count 1, modified count 1, which means our document is now updated. So we'll retrieve it again, find, and as you can see, the chair is now chairs with multiple S. So this was all about updating the data. Now we'll see how we can delete a particular document from our collection. So for that we use db.collectionname.delete1 with the filter. So let's go db.product.delete1, and the filter is name, and let's delete the one with the name mirror. Enter, and we've got acknowledged true and deleted count as 1. Let's verify this. db.product.file. So as you can see, we've got only 2 documents, chairs and table, no mirror. Delete. You can also delete many at once. And you can also add the filters and delete the documents based on those filters. So let's see what happens if we type delete many. Delete many, and let's enter. So it has returned deleted count as 2. That means both of our documents are now deleted from the collection, and as you can see, it has returned null to us. So this is how you can delete and delete. So this is how you can perform some of the CRUD operations using MongoDB. And let's see on the MongoDB compass as well. So we were working on product. There is no data for now. There is no data over here as well. Let's add the data. Dot insert many, and for many we always enter in an array. So we have got 2 insertions again. Let's see on, as you can see in product, we can see table and mirror as our documents in our collection. So this was all in this video, but before that, if you wish to delete the database, you simply need to make sure that you are in the database. Suppose I'm in products right now, and I type db.drop collection and enter. Okay, I'm sorry, it is db.drop database. So it is now dropped.